Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is a Christmas cocktail, of course keto style. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. Alright, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, that way you won't miss out on any videos. Let's talk ingredients. I like to experiment. This is an experiment. We're gonna see how it goes together. So let's talk the ingredients. Blackberries are still in season and they are perfect for the holidays, as well as a blackberry whiskey or bourbon, whatever you can find. This is Crown Blackberry. So that is number one. You're also going to want fresh blackberries because you're going to make a simple syrup. And you and I both know if we're going to make a simple syrup, we need monk fruit sugar. This is the one I use. Use whichever one you like. You are going to do equal parts. You're going to smush up some blackberries, equal parts of monk fruit sugar to water. That's it. Let it steep. And then it looks like this. This has been in the refrigerator overnight. That's why it's kind of got stuff on it. But this is nice and rich and beautiful. So that is my blackberry syrup. The other thing that you're going to want is a little bit of lemon, fresh lemon, of course, and ginger beer. I know, I'm telling you, this is going to be an experiment, but I think we're gonna like it. Cocktail shaker with ice. We're going to use 2 ounces of the Crown with blackberry. Use more or less as you so fit see. We're going to use 1 ounce of the blackberry simple syrup, keto. If it's a nice juicy lemon, just half of a lemon. We want doesn't have to be pink, but your girl loves pink, crushed ice. All right, in she goes. We're gonna open up a little ginger beer. This is by Fever Tree. A little stir. And we're going to top with some blackberries. A cocktail after all. Drizzle a tiny bit of the simple syrup on top. All right, most important thing, taste test. Let's see if we need to change anything. Ooh, that ginger beer adds a little spicy kick to it. Okay. Here's the thing. Here's my suggestion. I love it with the ginger beer, and I'm not a huge ginger beer fan because it does have a spicy kick to it. If you don't like ginger beer, I would substitute either Prosecco, your girl loves Prosecco, or even go lighter and do like a club soda or a sparkling soda like Saratoga, and that would lighten it up and take away that spiciness. But I like the spiciness. We're in winter. Let's add a little spice. You will not taste the Crown. Guys, there's 2 ounces of Crown in here. You are not going to taste that. It is delicious. Very much so. You want to try it?
Sure.
It's got a kick. Bold and spicy.
I could drink 3 of those down in a row.
You heard it. He could drink 3 of these in a row. Well, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, take a minute, hit that thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.